celebrating and being with us this evening. This is such a special night for all of us. But most especially this evening is for you guys, para sa inyo po lahat ng to. So sana naman, nag-enjoy kayo? I love it. Now, Saudi Pinoy, aren't we gonna be taking a little bit of a break?
That is correct. Kabayan, we will take a break for Al-Isha Brayat, for Salat Al-Isha, and we will see you after. Stay with us tonight. We have our artist, Angeline.
That's right. We also have Between with us later. Pero bago natin ilabas ang mga next performers natin, we're gonna be taking a little bit of a break. So we encourage everyone to go around the park, enjoy. Din sa mga kakarating lang, you can explore the entire area. Marami po tayong mga food court. We have a playground for the children. May mga art installations, and then